Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about how to create groups in Tally. In your company, there can be maintenance of account. So, to maintain accounts of specific field, then you can maintain account using group. So, to create group in the Tally of your company, you first have to go to the gateway of Tally. After going to the gateway of Tally, select account info. By default, Tally already created certain groups. To see that groups, you can go to the display, enter onto the display option and go to the list of accounts. You can see here groups and lasers are created. This text in the bold denotes the groups and normal text is the laser. Here two lasers are created. One is the cash and at the end profit and loss. So this way you can see the list of lasers and list of groups. Now press escape to back to the display menu. Again, now go to the account info. After going to the account info, you can see groups and laser options. Now enter onto the groups option. Using this menu, you can create group. Now to create group, enter onto the create option. One new form will be open in which you have to write name for the group. Here I am entering Western Region Debtors. Now there are two types of groups. One is the advanced and one is the simple. Here we are creating advanced. So to create the simple type of group, you can press F12. You can press F12 and from that you can select configuration for simple type of group. So it will ask allow alias along with name, yes, allow language alias along with name, no, and allow advanced entries in master. If you put here no, then it will be simple type of group. Currently we are not creating simple type of group, so we are putting yes. Now you can give alias to this group. I am leaving it blank. Now you have to select under which category you want to specify your group. So I want to specify my group under debtors, and in advanced group creation you will see certain options like group behave like subledger. If you put yes here, then your group will be behave like subledger. Net debit credit balance for reporting, currently I am putting no. Used for calculation like taxes and discount, I am currently putting no. Method to allocate when used in purchase invoice. Now at a time of purchasing item, there can be any other expense like any taxes on the item or any other expense. So that expense if you want to include in your invoice, then you can specify by quantity or value. If you want to maintain or do this type of process, then you can use this allocation method. Currently I am leaving it blank and I am putting not applicable. Now press yes to accept this data. Group is created. Now to see this group, you can press escape key and go to the gateway of Tally account info and groups. Enter onto the display. Now you can type your keyword of group. So I am entering Western Region Debtors and enter onto the Western Region Debtors. I can see my group. So this way you can create groups in the Tally. By pressing escape, I can go to the gateway of Tally account info and I can also alter this group details. Likewise, we have altered the details of company in previous tutorials. You can also alter the group details. So this way we can create the group using the gateway of Tally account info. Thank you.